Hi guys, my name is Shamita, makeup artist for Maybelline New York, and that's a new way of glamming up those lips. Makeup artists can't get enough of it, and I'm going to show you how. A bright lipstick can actually make your day. Fat or thin, big or small, no matter what size your lips are, I'm going to show you how to get that perfect pout. And I can't wait to show you the latest trend in lipstick application, Maybelline's lip gradation. So today I'm going to be showing you a few of my favorite Maybelline lipsticks. The great part about these lipsticks are they last all day, they're nourishing for the lips, and they have great pigment. I'm going to be covering three ranges: Maybelline's Lip Gradation, one of my favorites, the Big Apple Red, and the Vivid Mattes. So as a rule, you want to start with the center of the lip. Start with the center. Make sure you have enough product on the center. Use the sponge end of the product and blend out, already giving her lips that pouty feel. You can blend as much as you want and as little as you want. Blending upwards, blending outwards, giving her lips that full look. So the good part about this sponge is that it gives the lips a look of them being stained rather than having a lip color. And the center still has that intense pigment. So I've shown you how to create that gradiated look, but you can also fill up the lips with the entire shade because these colors are really rich in pigment and they look very nice when they've been applied completely. The next range that I'm going to be talking about is Maybelline's Big Apple Reds. They have reds, the perfect reds for all skin tones, and I'm going to be demonstrating how this one looks on her. So you can see these go on really smoothly. They have great pigment. They're also very nourishing for the lips. They're available in a range of reds. So if you don't think this one is for you, don't worry about it. There's lots of shades of red. That completes this look. As you can see, it gives it a very smooth, silky finish on the lips. I'm going to be using the Violet Pink from the Vivid Matte range. So as the name suggests, this gives you a matte finish. However, it doesn't make your lips look dry. At the same time, it nourishes them because of the ingredients it's made out of. They're available in extremely bold, bright colors. You can wear them during the day or the evening. I think the Violet Pink looks really nice on Palak's skin tone. And as you can see, that matte but nourished lip look by the Vivid Matte range.
आप अपने स्क्रीन्स पर प्रोडक्ट नेम्स और शेड नंबर्स देख सकते हैं जो कि अभी हमने मेकओवर में यूज किए हैं। अधिक जानकारी के लिए आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं, SMS कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन लॉग ऑन टू www.nykaa.com एंड ऑर्डर Maybelline प्रोडक्ट्स एट अमेजिंग प्राइसेस। जाने से पहले हम शमिता से कुछ और सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे। लिपस्टिक के शेड सिलेक्ट करने से पहले हमें किन-किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
So you want to keep in mind your skin tone, which is the most important factor. Light skin tones can get away with a lot of pastel shades, bright shades. You're sort of safe. Medium to dark skin tones, you want to make sure you're using colors that are actually enhancing your skin tone. So you don't want to use something that's very light. Medium tones and deep tones like oranges, mauves, reds go really well with your skin tone.
जैसे शमिता ने बताया कि डिफरेंट स्किन टोन्स के लिए डिफरेंट कलर्स होते हैं। अगर आपका स्किन टोन लाइट है तो आप पे तकरीबन सारे ही शेड्स अच्छे लगेंगे, लेकिन अगर आपका स्किन टोन डार्कर साइड पे है तो आपको डीप कलर्स यूज करने चाहिए जैसे मोव, ऑरेंज और डीप रेड। शमिता, जब आप डेमो दे रही थी तो मैंने नोटिस किया कि आपने कई तरह की लिपस्टिक्स यूज़ करी, क्रीम, ग्लॉसी, लॉन्ग स्टे, तो सब में क्या फ़र्क है?
Yes, at Maybelline, we really care for your lips, and so we have many ranges of lipsticks. The Vivid Mattes, as you saw, are bold colors, but they're matte, but they still give you that creamy texture. On the other hand, the Lip Gradation, which is my favorite product and the latest craze, like you saw, you can use it as a gradient look, or you can use it as one color. They're available in many shades, and you must find one for you.
Well, that's it for now. अगर आपके मन में कोई सवाल है तो आप हमें maybelline@hbnindia.com पर लिख सकते हैं। आप हमें अपनी क्वेरीज SMS कर सकते हैं एंड वी विल बी हैप्पी टू गेट बैक टू यू। Maybelline अपने कस्टमर्स के लिए एक सुनहरा मौका लेकर आया है। आज के शो में दिखाए गए प्रोडक्ट्स में से आपको एक प्रोडक्ट का नाम बताना है और आप जीत सकते हैं Maybelline की ओर से एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट हैम्पर। आप अपना जवाब हमें SMS कर सकते हैं या WhatsApp पे सेंड कर सकते हैं और 9987444999 पर। The entries will close at midnight, so please write to us now. आपको सिर्फ इतना करना है कि आज के शो में दिखाए गए प्रोडक्ट्स में से सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्ट का नाम बताना है और आप जीत सकते हैं एक सरप्राइज गिफ्ट हैम्पर फ्रॉम Maybelline।